Question number 91. Which one of the following gas is the lasing or active medium in the laser tube? Option A, hydrogen, option B, helium, option C, neon, option D, carbon dioxide. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, helium. Question number 92. Product of cross-sectional area of pipe and fluid speed at any point along the pipe. Option A, remains constant, option B, is 0, option C, exponentially increases, option D, exponentially decreases. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is a remains constant. Question number 93. Frequency audible range to human hearing lies in the range. Option A, 2 to 2000 kHz, option B, 15 to 50,000 kHz, option C, 20 to 20,000 Hz, option D, 20 to 20,000 kHz. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is D, 20 to 20,000 kHz. Question number 94. Mathematical formula of maximum velocity, VO, for a body executing simple harmonic motion is, option A, VO equals so, option B, VO equals k square root x2 minus x2, option C, VO equals b square root 1 minus x02, option D, VO equals m square root x2 minus x20. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is a VO equals so. Question number 95. In photoelectric effect, removal of underscore photons is observed at underscore energies. Option A, low. Option B, high. Option C, intermediate. Option D, both A and C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, high.
Welcome back to City Quiz Channel. We're thrilled to bring you the fourth video in our special series dedicated to preparing you for the MDCAT Physics section with a total of 210 quizzes spread across 7 videos. In this series, we provide comprehensive practice and detailed explanations to help you master your physics MCQs. Each quiz is designed to challenge your understanding and enhance your problem-solving skills. If you missed our first 3 videos, make sure to check them out. We've covered essential topics crucial for your exam preparation. In this video, a fresh set of challenging physics MCQs. Detailed explanations for each question. Tips and strategies for mastering the MDCAT Physics section. Get ready to test your knowledge. Improve your problem-solving skills. Boost your confidence for the exam. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our upcoming videos. We have 3 more videos in this series, each packed with valuable practice questions to help you succeed. Stay tuned, and let's conquer the MDCAT Physics section together. Subscribe for more quizzes and updates. Let's move to back quiz slides.
Question number 96. What is the 273 K on the Celsius scale of temperature? Option A, 0.150 C, option B, 273.150 C, option C, minus 0.150 C, option D, minus 273.150 C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is A, 0.150 C. Question number 97. Name the quantity which can be measured using base unit kgm-2s-3. Option A, weight, option B, pressure, option C, power, option D, work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is C, power. Question number 98. A body is having weight 20 N. When the elevator is descended with A equals 0.1 ms2, then the value of tension T is, option A, 196 N, option B, 19.8 N, option C, 1.98 N, option D, 2 N. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, 19.8 N. Question number 99. The escape velocity corresponds to underscore energy gained by body, which carries it to an infinite distance from the surface of Earth. Option A, total. Option B, potential. Option C, initial kinetic. Option D, none of these. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is C, initial kinetic. Question number 100. The isotope of iodine-131 is used in the treatment of option A, blood cancer, option B, bone cancer, option C, lung tumor, option D, thyroid cancer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is D, thyroid cancer. Question number 101. Mass flow per unit time of the fluid is given by option A, of, option B, AV, option C, AV, option D, rho. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, AV. Question number 102. The algebraic sum of potential changes in a closed circuit is 0, is Kirchhoff's underscore rule. Option A, first. Option B, second. Option C, third. Option D, none of these. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, second. Question number 103. What will be the magnetic field inside a 10 cm long solenoid with 100 turns and 1 microampere current? Option A, 4 pi x 10 to the power of negative 13 Tesla. Option B, 4 pi x 10 to the power of negative 7 Tesla. Option C, 4 pi x 10 to the power of negative 10 Tesla. Option D, 4 pi x 10 to the power of negative 16 Tesla. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, 4 pi x 10 to the power of negative 7 Tesla. Question number 104. Which of the following effect will be observed with equal but opposite currents in parallel wires? Option A, magnetic field at X is stronger than that at Y and Z. Option B, magnetic field at X is weaker than that at Y and Z. Option C, magnetic field at X, Y, and Z is same. Option D, magnetic field at X is weaker than that at Y but stronger than that at Z. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is C, magnetic field at X, Y, and Z is same. Question number 105. Practically underscore current flows in a reverse biased p-n junction. Option A, no. Option B, very large. Option C, few milliamperes. Option D, both A and C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is D, both A and C. Question number 106. The rapid escape of air from a burst tire is an example of option A, adiabatic processes, option B, isothermal process, option C, cooling process, option D, first law of thermodynamics. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is A, adiabatic processes. Question number 107. When fluid is incompressible, the quantity is constant is option A, mass, option B, density, option C, pressure, option D, force. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, density. Question number 108. The force required to bend the normally straight path of a particle into a circular path is called underscore force. Option A, traveling. Option B, bending. Option C, centrifugal. Option D, centripetal. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is D, centripetal. Question number 109. A wire of area of cross-section A and original length L is subjected to a load L. A second wire of same material with an area is 2A and length 2L is subjected to the same load L. If the extension in first wire is X and second wire is Y, find the ratio X/Y. Option A, January 1st, option B, February 1st, option C, January 4th, option D, January 2nd. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, February 1st. Question number 110. What should be the ratio of kinetic energy to total energy for simple harmonic oscillator? Option A, 1 minus x2/xo2, option B, 1, option C, xo2 minus x2/1, option D, x2/2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is A, 1 minus x2/xo2. Question number 111. The unit for electric charge is coulomb, and 1 coulomb in terms of base unit is equivalent to option A, am, option B, JS1, option C, as, option D, C, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is C, as. Question number 112. A single-mode step index fiber has core of about _μm diameter. Option A, 50 to 1000. Option B, 50, option C, 30, option D, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is D5. Question number 113. Among the 3 types of radioactive radiation, which has the strongest penetration power? Option A, alpha, option B, gamma, option C, beta, option D, all have same penetration power. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, gamma. Question number 114. 100 joules work has been done by an agency in 10 seconds. What is power of agency? Option A, 1000 watt. Option B, 100, option C, 10 watt. Option D, 0.10 watt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is C, 10 watt. Question number 115. Laser light is monochromatic, which means, option A, it consists of one ray of light, option B, it consists of one wavelength, option C, it consists of carbon monoxide gas, option D, it consists of photons having 1 eV energy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, it consists of one wavelength. Question number 116. In Bernoulli's equation, the term 1/2 rho v caret 2 is called, option A, Ke per unit volume, option B, Ke, option C, Ke per unit area, option D, Ke per unit length. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is a Ke per unit volume. Question number 117. X-rays can be produced by bombardment of on-target metal. Option A, protons, option B, electrons, option C, neutrons, option D, alpha particles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, electrons. Question number 118. For photons of energy greater than 1.02 MeV, the probability of pair production occurrence underscore as the energy increases. Option A, increase. Option B, completely diminishes. Option C, reduces to half. Option D, remains unchanged. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is A, increase. Question number 119. Cesium-coated oxidized silver emits electrons for _light. Option A, infrared. Option B, ultraviolet. Option C, visible. Option D, green. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is B, ultraviolet. Question number 120. Variation of amplitude with respect to time for an oscillating object is shown. Identify the oscillation. Option A, damped, option B, critical, option C, undamped, option D, heavily damped. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct option is a damped.